Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about some of the best earnings to look out for the upcoming week. Let's get straight into it. Okay, first looking into Square. Square has an earnings estimate of 24 cents and a revenue estimate of $3.09 billion. And looking at Square's current quarter, it has an earnings per share of already 24 cents and a sales of $3.1 billion. And looking at Square's stock forecast, it has a low of $140, a median of $247.50, and a high of $380. And also in the last month, Square was up 21%. Currently, Square has a 2.4 recommendation rating, as well as an analyst price target of $231, which it exceeded to $268. Okay, next we have NVDA, which has an earnings estimate of $2.80 and a revenue estimate of $4.82 billion. This is compared to NVIDIA's current quarter, which has an EPS of $2.81 and $4.8 billion. And its stock forecast is a low of $370, a median of $605, and a high of $700. Today alone, NVIDIA was down 3.82% and 4.48% in the past week. And lastly, the recommendation rating for NVIDIA is 2 out of buy, with an analyzed price target of $599. And on Thursday, we have Salesforce, which has an earnings estimate of 75 cents and a revenue estimate of $5.68 billion. And Salesforce's current quarter is at 75 cents earnings per share and $5.7 billion at sales. And their stock forecast is at a low of $200, median of $280, and a high of $320. And looking at Salesforce's last month, it was up 5.9%, but is still down 7.84% in the past 3 months. Lastly, it has a recommendation rating of 1.9 and an analyzed price target of $275. Another earnings to check out for is Etsy, which has an earnings estimate of 58 cents and a revenue estimate of $511.38 million. That compares to its current quarter, which has an EPS of 58 cents and a sales of $511.4 million. However, its stock forecast has a low of $93, a median of $202, and a high of $250. Also today on February 22nd, Etsy was down 6.2% to $213. And lastly, it has a 1.8 recommendation rating with an analyzed price target of $197, which it already has exceeded. Also on Thursday after market, we have Beyond Meat, which has an earnings estimate of negative 12 cents and a revenue estimate of $104.68 million. And Beyond Meat's current quarter has a negative 14 cent earnings per share and a sales of $103.6 million. Also, Beyond Meat has a stock forecast of a low of $57, median of $117, and a high of $170. As well as others today, Beyond Meat was down 5.84%, and in the last week, it was down 16.79%. Lastly, it has a recommendation rating of 3 at a hold, with an analyzed price target of $119, which it exceeded to at $150. And lastly, we have Airbnb, which has an earnings estimate of negative $9.17, with a revenue estimate of $740.19 million. And Airbnb's current quarter has an EPS of negative $8.41, with a sales of $739.4 million. Its stock forecast, however, has a low of $120, median of $158, and a high of $240. Also, Airbnb was down 9.16% in the last week. Lastly, on Yahoo Finance, it has a recommendation rating of 2.6 and an analyzed price target of $159. Those are the best earnings that you guys should be looking out for this week. Let me know what you guys want next, and I'll catch you then.